Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to manually open BMW X3 trunk, only ways. Fold down the rear seat's release tab, locate the emergency trunk lever behind the rear bumper access panel, reach in and pull the glow-in-the-dark handle firmly until the latch disengages. Then lift the trunk lid while supporting it to prevent slamming, inspect the latch for obstruction, and test the manual release twice to confirm full function. Start by clearing the cargo area and folding rear seats if needed to create a safe workspace. Remove any floor mats or cargo to expose the access panel, then pry open the bumper panel gently to reach the tether. Keep a flashlight and gloves ready, feel for the handle by touch, and pull with steady force straight toward you. Finish by lifting the trunk slowly and verifying the latch reset and proper closing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical car tips. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers because they keep parts organized and prevent spills during trunk access. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one for your gear. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the manual release is stiff, first inspect for visible dirt, corrosion, or frozen components and clear them gently. Apply a small amount of penetrating lubricant to the latch pivot and cable, then try the release again. If the cable has separated or the handle still does not move, stop and secure the vehicle, then seek professional service to avoid damaging the cable or latch assembly, which can lead to costlier repairs later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.